So what are the expected long-term benefits of these foreign investments for the Malaysian economy?
Malaysia has seen a significant influx of foreign investments in recent years. The ongoing US-China trade war and the evolving global supply chain have positioned Malaysia as a preferred hub, attracting increasing levels of FDIs from global MNCs. According to MIDA, Malaysia has secured 85.4 billion ringgit in foreign investments during the first half of 2024, which made up 53% of total approved investments. As an emerging country, FDI plays a vital role in enhancing Malaysia's global visibility and solidifying investors' confidence. Beyond the immediate influx of capital, FDI brings a host of long-term benefits to the Malaysian economy. Number 1, job creation. FDI often leads to job creation, providing employment opportunities as well as developing local talent. Number 2, technology transfer. Foreign companies often bring advanced technologies and expertise which can be transferred to local firms, enhancing their productivity and competitiveness, moving Malaysia up the value chain. Number 3, economic growth. The substantial capital inflow from FDI stimulates the economic growth by creating positive spillovers.
Which sectors will benefit the most from the foreign investments?
Manufacturing sector such as electrical and electronics, data center, green energy sector, property which include industrial parks, logistics and warehouses, as well as financial sectors.
I see. Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.